China has stepped up efforts to minimize grain losses during this year's summer harvest in response to weather challenges such as waterlogging and heat waves. Central China's Henan province is dubbed the granary of China, accounting for more than a quarter of the country's wheat output. It is facing a daunting challenge as heavy rains have turned fields stocky. Farmers are racing against the clock to harvest wheat before it is ruined.
从6月6号开始这个收割，到目前为止呢，已经收割600多亩地，现在剩了这个300来亩地。今天晚上呢，我们预计要把这个小麦全部这个收割完毕。
As of Friday morning, Henan has harvested approximately 79.5 million wu of wheat, accounting for over 93% of the total planting area in the province. Anhui Province, which neighbors Henan, is home to about 2.87 million hectares of wheat fields. It has also strengthened efforts to improve its wheat harvesting operations, with attention also focused on minimizing losses during transportation and storage. Last year, it achieved a wheat harvest loss rate of less than 2%. The National Food and Strategic Reserve Administration said that the country has been making efforts to upgrade and reconstruct its grain reserve facilities. More eco-friendly cold storage facilities for grain are expected to be built in the future.